This speed networking event is powered by GlueUp. Let's get you set up. After successfully registering for the event, follow the following steps to enter the event. Check your email. You should receive your confirmation that includes the speed networking link. Press the Click to Join Event button. Make sure you are logged into your GlueUp account using the same email address that you used in the registration form. On the top left corner, your browser will ask for your approval to use the microphone and camera. Make sure you click Allow and set your audio and camera settings. Once you are all set, click the Join button. You will be directed to the event room. Once inside, you may update your business card and start networking right away. Always remember to click the Join button as soon as you can to maximize the time limit. The button will appear as soon as each session ends. Remember, each meeting is set to the minimum of 2 minutes and the maximum of 8 minutes. But don't worry, there will be breaks in between sessions to give you time to breathe. Don't forget to share your business cards before ending the event. The one-on-one session will end after you have met all the participants or once the event has ended. Enjoy our speed networking event. For more information on GlueUp Speed Networking Solution, please send an email to sales@glueup.com.